Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to share some news regarding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recently while scrolling through Twitter, I came across a post mentioning a manufacturing defect in the Samsung Galaxy S24 screen. The user posted this on the 19th of February, indicating that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may have a gap at the bottom of the screen. If you take 100 GSM paper and hover it over these gaps, you can easily see that the paper fits into the gap. This suggests a manufacturing issue. Such gaps should not be present on any smartphone, as they could cause significant problems affecting the waterproofing and IP68 ratings. As you can see in these images, it's concerning if this issue is widespread among the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones. It might pose a significant problem and could lead Samsung to recall these models. However, it's a good news for the customer that Samsung eventually fixed this issue for him. It's unclear whether they changed the screen or the frame. In this day and age, if you are spending more than $1,000 on a phone, such issues should not arise. A significant gap between the screen and the frame is not acceptable. That's the news I wanted to share with you guys. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace out.